One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
Yo! Oh, this is fire! Yo!
Yo!
Oh, Travis Scott too!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Haven and Hearthstone, and today we are going to completely redo my son's bedroom while he is gone for the month and a half. So here are a few videos of what we're working with. Clearly there's a lot that needs to be done, there's a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. So that's the first thing that I need to focus on, which is in my last Clean With Me video, the one that I posted on Sunday. If you want, you can go back and watch that one. I will link it down in the description. But after the cleaning, we want to make sure that we get everything out of the room, get it all moved out, the bed, the dresser, everything, so that way we can start over fresh and I don't have to worry about anything being in my way. So the first thing that I want to do with the room is to paint it, because honestly, I was not very confident in my abilities and wanted time to fix or change what I was doing just in case I messed any of it up. And when we first moved in, he was super into like military and guns and stuff like that. Luckily, he's out of that phase, and now he's more into shoes and basketball and spray grounds, and I don't even know what to call everything else that he's into. I guess I'm too old to kick it with the 9-year-olds, and I guess that's fine, you know? So before I can get to the hard work, I have to go through more hard work of covering up the old hard work that I did before, because he didn't want these colors anymore, and I didn't want them to show through. And now it's time to get down to the real business. I bought some drip SVGs from Etsy, and with my Cricut, I made them as big as I needed and then struggled for literal hours trying to get all of them onto the wall. I was doing 4 different colors, so I had to make 4 sets of the stencils. I made them all different for the most part. Some were smaller, some were just completely different designs, but I didn't want them to be the exact same, so I just made them all different. Then it was time to paint, and this was the most tedious thing I could have ever done in my life. I think I was less than halfway done when I decided it was a terrible idea, and while it turned out great, I was way out of my league with this.
Say it again. Some will say too far. Half awake, fading the heart. Behind this, you don't care at all. I call it fate. Half just fading fast. Chasing dreams that never last. Behind this, you are more than that. All that we got left is solid ground. All we knew is left and lost and found. light. But behind this, there is no place safe. I call it fate. A half chance fading fast. Chasing dreams that never last. Behind it, you are more than that. All that we got left is solid ground. All we knew is left and lost and found. Nothing left to do but run. Just like I do. All that we got left.
Just to give you an idea of how tedious this was and how long it took, I had to hand paint the beginning of every next color. The red, the orange, the green, and then I had to go in with white to touch up the green and all of the little shiny parts from all of the drips, and these took 2 to 3 coats each. So I had to do this 2 to 3 times for every single color other than blue.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I got you sent from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me air, baby, I swear that will be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all.
Now on to the bed. He hated the bunk bed that he begged us for and wanted a black normal bed. So I got this one off of IKEA. Obviously, you can see it right there, IKEA, which they didn't have black, so I ended up getting, I think it was espresso, and then I had to do more painting. Yay!
Don't know what to say, don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. If we decide that we're good, wanna see you crying too. Show it be some to you. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, don't know what to say, don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. We're in the crowd, everybody's dancing now. Let's leave them behind. You saying get my jacket. We're in your house, but it feels like home somehow.
Then we had the most adorable little visitor that tried to sabotage my work, but luckily all the paint was dry and she's still such a good girl.
Won't go all the way, but I'll
now that the bed is all painted, it is time to put it together.
That 70s pop.
I'm surprised that my fingers didn't start bleeding from doing all of this. These little tools hurt so bad.
All the stars in the sky and the shining silver moon. Got nothing on you. Said I shouldn't stay, but you look so pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy.
All in all, the bed really wasn't that hard to put together, and even though it says that you're supposed to have 2 people, I didn't really have time for that, and I made it work just fine all by myself. Would it have been easier with 2 people? Yeah, but I am impatient.
So pretty, pretty boy. Won't go all the way, but I'll let you pretty, pretty close. You've got that look in your eyes, oceans deep. It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy. What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go.
Now, the bed is done, and it is time to move on to the pegboard. My son has developed some obsession with the cactus jack. I don't know. He wanted the symbol or logo or whatever on the chest that we're gonna get to soon, and I decided to go a little bigger with it, because why wouldn't I? So I made it big, and I slapped it onto the pegboard.
Ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know.
You know, honestly, this video should be sponsored by Cricut because I wouldn't have accomplished any of this without that thing. But for your information, Cricut, I still have to redo my daughter's room around Christmas. So if you're looking for some ads, some YouTubers, let your girl know.
It's time to go. It's all I know. It's time to go. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go.
This is Audible.
Audible Studios presents Tell Me Lies, written by J.P. Pomeroy.
In most of my videos, I am listening to an audiobook, and I normally like to tell you guys how I feel about the book or how I have felt about the book when I'm done reading it. And I'm normally done reading it or listening by the time the video comes out. This time I can't. I still have 2 hours left on Tell Me Lies, but so far it has not let me down, and I cannot wait to finish it.
But I ain't that lonely, baby. Let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes.
Now onto this Captain Jack, or Cactus Jack. Sorry, Travis Scott. See, I'm not completely useless. I'm still cool, right? I don't understand it, but I guess I don't really have to. Anyway, I was on the struggle bus for a long time with this one. It was so hard to get all of this stuff put up. But with a little edit magic, I can make it seem like it was all super easy to do.
First, checking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the but it didn't work on me. So, baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Let it be. Forget your life.
Okay, my idea with the Cactus Jack was to make it look like it was a neon sign while also incorporating the green that was in his drip wall. So I went through with a few coats of white to brighten it up, and then I outlined with the green from the wall, doing fewer coats as I went out. So that way, the further away from the white it got, the darker it was. And then, boom, paint magic.
Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye.
Oh god, okay, now we're on the chest. This thing took so long, but I was really trying to just reuse most of the stuff that we already had. So this is what he wanted, and I had to figure out how to do it, how to turn this into that. But first, I had to take off the bulky bits to give it a more boxy look, and then fill it in, and patch it, and sand it, and fill it in, and sand it, and fill it in, and sand it, over and over and over again, until this bad boy could pass as an extra large shoebox. Then I had to get some wood and put that, like trim it down and then put that on the lid, so that way it would look like a shoebox lid. And then rinse and repeat with the sanding and the filling in. And because nothing can be easy, he wanted the lid to come up and out like one of those fancy tables, like the picture that I showed you. So I had to figure out how to do that too. But I didn't record it, so just trust me, it happened.
Barefoot on the hot asphalt, fables, friction, a revolution of your faults, chain link, pieces, rebel when you're climbing up, go off your natural diver, be an arrow in the blue.
And then it was July 4th, which was the day before he was supposed to come home, before he came home. We celebrated a lot, and then I got stepped on by a horse. It was only half of a horse, so it could have been worse. But when you see me limping, know that it's because of this little half pint.
Shut up.
Gosh, you're being rude.
You're over here laughing at my struggles. And I'm the
My
one.
struggles.
My struggles.
Dude, I used to go to work on a back that was just tired of working.
Stop it.
Only thing I'll be struggling is your butt cheek.
You don't need a backseat driver. Do you like where he's taking you?
This one, that's,
Really?
yeah, that's how crappy it is. So you usually be like 16. See?
But it's not until all the
2
way out
foot.
here.
So,
Are you guys recording?
so hello. Wait, does it talk too?
No, it doesn't talk. You talk.
So if nothing ever and I am trying to record a video, but
Oh gosh.
oh no. And Daddy just turned the lights off, and we have these guys.
And now I'm gonna, oh my gosh, the camera just broken!
The place is slow, but yeah, you cut through the noise.
These screws are the worst. Just the tip. It's just not right.
Well, I can edit out all the screw ups, so it's okay.
No, leave those. Make it seem legit.
Pretty. Hold on, darling, don't let me down. Hope that you feel it too, just give me a sign. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time, hold on, darling, don't let me go. I wanna see if you're the soul, just hold me close. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time, lost in the crowd, but yeah, you drown out the sound. I wish I knew what you were thinking about. Is this thing in my head delusional till I die, babe? At least we stand a chance then, right? I could see this through. I could wait another night.
All right, are you guys ready for it? Hold on to your butts.
I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay. 'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change. 'Cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait
at that. You made it to the end. Awesome. I hope you guys loved this video. I hope you like it, subscribe, you know, do all those things that you're supposed to do. I will have more videos like this coming up soon. I just have to figure out what I want to do and, you know, actually take care of them. But again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything that you guys do. Thank you and have an awesome day.